Okay, time to take a look at the little giant sump pump. So we got our manual, surprisingly thick manual for a sump pump. And a nice heavy sump pump. These are about the best sump pumps that you can get. We had one exactly like this. The only problem that we had with it was we deteriorated the cord to the point where it was tripping the breaker, and we could have replaced that, but we just decided it was time to get another one anyway. So main thing with this is just make sure you're picking it up by that ring. So we're going to attach this sump hose, and we got two different adapters. So this is the 1 1/4, too small. This is the 1 1/2. That is just right. Doesn't need to be super tight, because even if there is a small leak in there, it's not going to matter. You don't got to use pipe dope or anything like that on it. Throw on the hose clamp and drop that on. Now you can see on this model there is no float switch. Float switches are good if you're going to be dropping this thing and you want to just be able to forget about it, so it'll just kick on and off as needed. That's not what we're looking for. We want something we can throw in and then we can turn on and off manually, because we're going to be using this to drain our waste tank. Now if we wanted to, we could put a switch on this wire, but for right now we're going to rely on just plugging it in and unplugging it.